Hello! So I have this Bluetooth speaker called Ancordworks that I got off Amazon years ago, and the battery isn't performing as well anymore. So I found out this thing can be taken apart. There are these 6 screws inside, which I've already taken apart. So here it goes. And found out there's a battery in here. Let me take this apart. This is a Mini JST 1.25 connector, and I don't know if you can see the battery's kind of very expanded. It's a 1000 milliamp 3.7 volt battery. So I went on eBay to see if there's any similar batteries, and I decided to get this one. This is actually bigger, and I measured it. It should fit. It's a 1800 milliamp hour 3.7 volt, and I've already got the connector here too. So I'll be putting this together and see how it goes. Okay, I soldered the I took up this Mini JST 1.25, soldered it to the battery wires here, stuck the battery inside. So now this is a 1800 milliamp hour 3.7 volt battery. I'm going to do a test just to make sure this works. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, and the on switch is here. Okay, it works. Alright, putting it back together now. Okay, turn it off first. Okay. Okay, I'll screw it back. Okay, one more test. Okay, perfect. I'll charge this baby up and I'll be back to work. Okay, bye. Thank you.